What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Dodge Durango SRT 392. This vehicle is powered by a 6.4 liter Hemi V8 with 475 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And it can do 0 to 60 in between 4.4 to 4.7 seconds roughly. So I've never driven the Durango SRT before, so I'm excited to see how it drives today. Basically a high performance CDJR SUV right here. I've always wanted to drive a Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, but it's really hard to find those. But anyways, back to this. You have the typical Uconnect screen, heated seats, ventilated seats. Looks pretty good. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera, no 360 view. Red interior on this one with SRT logos embossed into the leather. Center console, it's like a two-tone black and red interior, and you have like a forged carbon fiber trim, which is pretty interesting. You have a sunroof in this car, paddle shifters. Sounds pretty good. And the heated and ventilated seat options and heated steering wheel, so that's pretty cool that it has that. You have an SRT mode. There it is. So you can do custom. I'm gonna just put it in sport for the drive. Let's walk around this car, see what it looks like, then we'll take it out on the road. You have a Harman Kardon sound system, which is pretty cool. And here how the seats look. You have a white exterior on this SRT. Got black wheels, red SRT Brembos, 392 badge on the side. Looks like you have LED daytime running lights, which look pretty nice. Black grille, black mirror caps. Here are the rear seats. You have captain's chairs with the center console. That's impressive. I like that. You also have cup holders back there. You have dual outlet exhaust, black exhaust tips, SRT badge on the back. Here's the third row, looks pretty good. Obviously you'll have a lot more cargo space if you fold the third row. But let's take it out on the road now. Seats are actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, pretty standard, what do you call, Stellantis interior in here, that's for sure. I like the steering wheel. It says SRT, you have a flat bottom look. And it has like the gripping points on it are really nice. It feels really sporty, the steering wheel, which is nice for a sporty SUV, as always. That's pretty fast. Very aggressive gear shifts. That's fun. It was faster than I expected it to be. That's pretty awesome. Looks like manual mode took a second to engage there. Dang, this thing is crazy. I love how harsh the gear shifts are. It feels so sporty, and the acceleration's awesome. It sounds really good. It really pushes you back in your seat, that's for sure. That is pretty insane, guys. That's so cool. definitely blown away by that. I did not expect it to feel this fast, because as I mentioned, I've never driven one of these before, so I don't really have a frame of reference. I'm very impressed with how fast it puts down power. There's no delay at all when you put your foot down. It just picks up speed with no hesitation, which is impressive. I like how fast the transmission is shifting. That's pretty cool. But the driving dynamics of this car seem to be well tuned for an SUV. So, with the drive now being over, that concludes today's video. This 2023 Durango SRT 392 is really fun to drive. Definitely exceeded my expectations. Really fast, great steering, transmission feels great, and it's really fun to drive. Exhaust sounds amazing. This is a fun SUV for sure. I had a great time driving it. But thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for many other high-performance SUVs like this one right here.